Alright guys, let us quickly look at this last task, which is task 9 of chapter 3. Chapter 3 of Engineering Graphics and Design, the last task, which is task 9. So these are the primary views that are given, 3 of them with their projection symbol. So which means they are given in third angle orthographic projection symbol, and this there is going to be our front, this is going to be our right view, this one is going to be our top view. So task 9, so this is the question for task 9. So I'll quickly go straight to the point, which they're saying using a reduction, a normal scale, which is 1:1. So now let me start. Let point A to be your lowest point. Let point A to be your lowest point, right? So after I've prepared my drawing sheet, I'll start with this type of a line. Just down there, I'll get this type of a line horizontally, faint constructional line, horizontally, faint. Then I'll get the one that is perpendicular against it. So where they are perpendicular against each other, that's going to be my point A. And from there, I can get this angle, draw it faint, and draw it faint. Right. So this portion I have to put at the right view. This portion I have to get what the front view. Okay, by using a scale of 1:1. So from point A coming to this side, I say dimension of what, of 100 millimeter from here till 100 millimeter, and this is behaving there. It's actually there by our front view. So can come and record that 100 millimeter from here till there is 100 millimeter. The half of 100 millimeter is going to be 50, isn't it? It's going to be 50. Then from there I can project this one just a little bit up, this one just a little bit up as well as a center. Understand? Then from there, let's see what is going to happen now. If I take a closer look of this front view at this portion, this front view, okay, I correspond this one with what, with this one on there by my right view, and correspond these two with what, with the top view. Okay, which means that thing is a what, it's a diameter of radius 35. Okay, of 35. So this one, it's a diameter of radius 35. So now from point A coming up here, so much is 15 millimeter. From here to there is 15, from here to there is 15, from there to there is 15. So with that, I'll simply do this. This is the first 15, then I mark there at 0, the second one, then I mark there. So for now, remember there are 3. There are 3, isn't it? So let me further extend it. Further extend it up just a little bit. Then so the fifth one, the third one. There are 3, eh? Yes, there are 3, which is 1, 2, 3, isn't it? Then from there, let me put it just a not far. So take it faint, take it faint, take it faint. Right. Actually, the one that I supposed to work on is the second one for now. Is the second one. Let me, because this one must be a little bit back. So the third one, let me erase it for now. Erase it, because once it gets here, this center must change direction on the second one. Draw like this, faint. So which point is this one? Which point is this one? This point is good as if it's good as if it's which one? It's good as if it's that one right there. You understand? So it would be good as if it's that one. In our right view, it would be that one. You understand? In our top view, it will be right there. You understand? So they said radius what? Radius 35. Yeah. So now take my drawing compass, open it to radius 35. Radius 35. Then from there I can place it here and mark here and mark right there. So I have to get to the exact point to this other side. Then from there get this one, it should be the center. So this one, construct it faint. So now I have to get to the other 35. From here to this 35, isn't it? And 35 this side, 35 this other side. Then from there to get to the exact point, my brother, it's right there, right there. And now I can create the box. There you go. There you go. So now I've got 4 corners, which is corner 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll decide to name this one 1, this one 2, this one 2, this one 3, this one 4. After that, what is going to happen? So that one is going to be my point R. So between 1 and 2, I'm going to have a small letter A. Between 2 and 3, B, 3, 4, C, 4, back to 1, D. You understand? So now I'll take my 30mm ruler and join the 2 longest opposite corners. The 2 longest opposite corner. This line of mine has to pass exactly point R. You understand? Then from there I'm going to join the corner to center, center to corner, which is point 4 with point A, point A, point C with point 2. You understand? So now that one gave me what? The Roman figure 1 and Roman figure 2. This Roman figure 2, this one is going to be my Roman figure 1. You understand? Right, so from there I'll take my drawing compass. Where is it? Can place it at Roman figure 1, open it to point A. This one, okay. I'll have to close it just a little bit. I have to draw this one faint for now. I'll draw it faint for now. You understand? I'm going to draw it faint for now because I don't know what is happening. Sorry for that. So now to get it this other side, I'm going to place it at point 2. Point 2, further extended to point D. D to C. I1. D to C. Just open it a little bit. So there you go. I'll draw it faint as well for now. Remember that we are not drawing a full cycle. Check it nicely there by your top view. So it's only this part that we are drawing, which is this one, you understand, which is this one, you understand. So now I am going to have this one solid dark going down this line, you understand. And then I want to draw this arc, this arc of CD. I want to get another parallel arc of CD, which means I'll take this point C vertically down as well, you understand. So now, where was I placing my drawing compass the time I drew this arc of CD? I was placing it at point 2 up there, isn't it? So which means is this point 2 that is supposed to project it down as well. Project it down. So now I come to record. Okay, I was placing my drawing compass at point 2, further extended to point D. That's how I draw it, right? So now, without disturbing my drawing compass, I'll be placing it along the side, or you can simply record 15mm from here till here. If you don't want, you can just do it like me. You place it along this one, whereas you put this pencil lid of yours where at this point was this D, it should be now right there, isn't it? So which means it's right there. And you know what I'm going to draw, since you draw from D to C, and this D along this line of D of C, which means I'll have to stop. So I can start to draw dark. Now this one I know what is dark. You draw it like this. Draw it like this. And as far as I'm concerned, I think even this one, it should be dark. Let me see. It will be dark. This one, it will be dark, especially this one of CD, constructed solid. So now, how to do through this one? We're placing our drawing compass at Roman figure 1, project the Roman figure 1 vertically down, and I come to what to record. Okay, I was placing my drawing compass way at this Roman figure 1, further extended to point D and A. D and A, that's how I got it, right? So now I'm going to place it along this line, whereas I'm putting my pencil lid here, or you can simply record 15 from here till here. The 15, which is the thickness of this one. But what you know is that this pencil lid has to start to draw from here till at this line of mine, isn't it? So I can simply put it like this. So now I can draw. There you go. Once it touches this vertical line of mine, I can stop, so that once it touches from there, it will then become a straight vertical line. So that's how we go about it, you understand. If you take a closer look there by your top view, the top view of it, you can actually see what it's not a full cycle, you understand. Right from this point, it becomes a horizontal straight line of dimension of what? Of 25mm. So 25mm, so which means I can simply record the 25mm from here. My 25mm is right there, and have it solid. Even that other side is going to be 25mm solid as well. 25mm, that is in solid, you understand. Then from there, let me see what is going to happen now. This one, 35, yes, is correct. 35 even here is correct. 35 even here is correct. Remember the set radius of what? Radius of 35. So it's absolutely correct. So even that, now from here till here 25, right? Okay, after we've gotten that, I'll project this one down. This one down, so that from here till here is dark as well, and then I come back to have this one dark. So this one I am 100% sure what is going to be dark. Which one is that one? Actually this one. It's actually this point, this one, but the going down, going inside the page, you understand? Then from there, let me see, let's get rid of what is happening here. It's of the height of what? Of 15 millimeter. So the third 15 millimeter I was talking about is actually this one that we erase. Remember, there is another 15 that we erase, which was this one. You understand? So it's actually of a shape of what? Of across the flat hexagon. So which means we have to get the what? The auxiliary of across the flat hexagon, and auxiliary of across the flat hexagon of dimension what? 25. So from here till here 25, from here till here 25, from here till here. We know the properties of the hexagon. All the sides, they must be equal, and it's supposed to be out of all the sides are equal, and it's supposed to have what? 6 corners. That is why they said hex. So 25. So I'll simply take my drawing compass and open it to 25, because at the end of the day I want to draw a hexagon of 25 millimeter. This is 25. Then now I can simply come here. I think this space is going to be enough here. I can now draw my auxiliary. I'll draw it faint as I placing my drawing compass right here. So I can get the horizontal center line as well as the vertical center line. So now, since I want to get across the flat hexagon, I'm going to use the vertical center line. I place it here at the circumference of the circle and open it to the center. I strike an arc here, coming to the opposite one, strike an arc here, you understand? Then from there I can use my set squares. Now you can use the set square as well, because of if it's like this angle, it should be angle 30 degrees. So you can still use then this one, it should be 30 degrees as well, from here till here, from here till there. Always double check your T-square. So that's how I go about it. So let's see, is it 25 millimeter? Yes, it's absolutely 25 millimeter. Absolutely 25 millimeter. 25 millimeter. So that's how you draw across the flat hexagon. So where these two centers of my auxiliary, they are perpendicular, to each other, I'm going to name that point R. You understand? So now I'll bring back my given and take a closer look. Okay, it's across the flat at which angle? At this angle. Okay, so that R squared is right there, isn't it? So place your drawing compass here, further extend it to this point where there by your auxiliary view. So which means I am going to place it right here, going up, which is this point. And to do it nicely, let me firstly consider the height of it. Which height? The one that we erase here. So now from point R going up, I am going to record the very last 15 millimeter that was erased. So it's right there. So from here till there is 15. So the second one is this one. The last one is that one. You understand? So from there I'll put this center line of it. So this is the above center line on the upper surface, which means this one actually I was supposed to draw it faint. This one I was supposed to draw it faint because it's not a right thing to have center line all over. This one was this one that I'm drawing now, it is the one that was supposed to be faint, you understand? So that R right from our auxiliary view, it's now right there, is that one, you understand? So the moment I go to my auxiliary view and place it at R further extended to this point, then I come and place it here. I'll mark here and mark right here. No, I'm lying, not here, because this distance from here till here is not the same as from here till there. So which means I'll simply mark here and mark here, which means I must simply mark this one and the opposite one, you understand? Then now to get these ones, place it at R again, further extended toward to this point. Let me do it this other side, to this point, you understand? So now I come and place it to my R and place it there and place it right here. And from there I'll project this one faint, get the exact point right there, project this one faint, you understand? So now I come to my to my auxiliary view and place it where at this point from here, further extended to this one, you understand? Like this, place it here, further extended to there. Now I come this point in my drawing, it will be like here, and mark here and mark right there. So which means this one is going to be dark from here to right there, you understand? And take my 30mm and join this one from here to right there, A1, and join this one with that one from here to right there, A1. Then now this one as well as this one, they're supposed to be parallel. Where is it now? It's right there. Remember, it's right there. It's not this one. So even this other side, they'll be parallel to each other. That's how I go about it, you understand? So now I can come back to what, to have this one dark from here to right there, you understand? And this one dark from here to right there, and from here to right there, you understand? So it looks like we are done with the upper surface of our across the flat hexagon. So that is why this one is a little bit up now, you understand? So which means if you see that from point C coming this side, it was that dimension of 25mm, is now becoming a straight line. So which means even up there it will be just a little bit dark going up like this, you understand? So now I can take this one vertically down, faint, vertically down, faint, vertically down, faint, as well as that one, you understand? So what was the height of it? The height of it is how much, my brother? Is 15mm, you understand? It's which one? It's this one from there till there, which is that one, isn't it? So that 15 is what we've done way right here. So I can simply place it my drawing canvas from here till here stay the same as from here till there, isn't it? So I come and place it here, just give a mark right there. I come and place it at this corner, give a mark right there. Come and place it at this corner, give a mark right there. The last one, give a mark right there. Then from there I can simply take my 30mm ruler. I'll know, okay, now this one is poured to this one, isn't it? This one, that's how I go about it. They go. Then this one other side. There you go. You understand? So now I can come back to what to have this one dark. There you go. Without fear or favor, we are going to, yes, we know what is dark, my brother. So from there, what is going to happen now? Take a closer look again there by what your front view. You can actually see Uguti. This hexagon is also existing under this curve of yours. So which means even down there we are expected to show it. You understand? It's not just ending here. You understand? It's also down there. So how do you go about that one? So which means we are going to just project this one till down, project this one till down, project this one till down, project this one till down. Okay, so now, so that corner, my brother, it will be where